ankasa me hu no
Be so mame
o say udi ba ko dako shemu 7 ti week bia no obedi 7 na o say obi enyini no say obi akoto je na senate ti udi we a aduane o udi
a day
we say odi we so nti say anopa o ye ne shake udi 200 ml of ensu obi abetime o mix ya no adi enti no
e wo ti anu ahwe agu nsuo no e dey warm water na say just
do bia enti no say ya wo TB o ho a o say veins ni nyina atwetwe say unyina na sa cartridges no ewewe e na wontine no so na ye den e na ya na twe fa na akokomu no nti say we ne sape enye hankwa na wo joints ni ba bia nti sape na so na akokomu nti na fa atwa so sa na so na vein na ye den say nti na ligaments na ha no afa nti we ne nyina aboa ma ligaments ni nyina ye foforo e na vein no so ye mre na asa build sa joint you know se sape na start twitwi say
eno dey cartilage no repair dey na pains a be come there
na ka say ne be say we say ka say na rough na ye smooth afa na obenya bone cancer eti we no ntina ho from 35 years say the be bia from 35 years esa prostate no hwe no sa na we sutie eti ntina ho nya sa problem na so
vanilla flavored
and I wo cocoa so
your cocoa dey ho to away vanilla and you put vanilla no ajo vanilla open cocoa no aji cocoa and a beauty food no so
beauty food no so sanity no so na ono kwa da wo hwe de shem na otimi so no ma baby bi se ma di 1 week na I don't suffer many ma come on
I say smoothing your skin no
I udwai wi anu anim na fe so just say very good say na we sutie
mama ge understand the color no cry say ma color
na we decide ba ko say problem me to chen ma no
mema no to we no mo so there no ala o mo ye the live no
eti ni na ya aduane me kai say mre bi future life forecast
yes it reduces wrinkles in 28 days
now
I improve your skin elasticity so the be ya
enchonchom
now your skin no maintains your hair and nails
is okay
and collagen wo mu
collagen and now we no so repair food no at 8
me ma be o I was say me cry say was say mo family
at 8 wo at 8 you know na o chere mu kakra chere tie for the church we so na tebro
we cartilage degeneration na a prevent no nti o say o joint ha no de wa no your friend gregrew na eno say we a eno na be wi ase won se obi si wanya arthritis ninka say we no eni se kabom nyame nim na oye ne sa enti say anya na kabom a na etwitwi say a pains a obe fam no ho na ehu na cheso a ekro be ma obenya bone cancer dangerous obi ha wachia usia na wachia na chia ne say okasa otene ne ho say a okọ pain mu
fisa akosia
bibi enti otia say a na etimi ama no sa pain akofom enti onama a waya say nyina no enya life no obo otene ne mu say a wo ayi anomanye obeti so okam adro we be repair ni nyina
aduane
udi dibi every morning we eno answer what so open warm water uhwe gum no anum it's a form of milkshake no anom a day within 1 week time we wa be hu say ukoto dwene unan na kikabom no asisim future life omo aduane
papa
and I also maintaining u bone no it gives the strength also be on anti kakra no abre no atrase ne ade ni nyina and afei so muscle no obu onum a etimi ye titiriti numbness we a building on muscle until there be any more free moja di more fusane a repair food a repair ni pediano and I was so ma we oba bi o ha we di 30 we share na so 45 years na ni ma twintwam ne ade the body ni kra no enye nku o because inner we slam ku say the enku bi on my good but say o man free mu ba yes beauty comes from within it is a udi aduane pa no a ehye nipadua no wo inside I will say apie wo hunamani and a collagen we denti ameka sa ne say ema bebre enom collagen for hair nails for skin but a draw way a journey way it will be. And you don't need and a collagen the cheapest crown than 500.
Where should they journey?
Where did you say?
Where 210 cedis for 1 week, you know.
Got it. What a ton of her.
Repair food no need there. Yeah, you might say magic.
I want to buy is here and Soto.
And you know.
They kind of say only partners and you in and now no pino. They conform. I was so to me near my antenna. American ni bien when you're 30 years above on for supplements.
Yeah.
They take supplements, Papa. And why we have a piece of Debbie? Because it supports.
Yeah.
Almost grow with the Dianipo. Now, starch and quay. Yeah, crowd, you hear more. And to Buani, the Bawa Bruchila, out the Ashe, Papa Fono Mawa Bruchino, or some Bani de Minua Breme. Supplement to most the one day. Every day, what did you or vitamins or minerals offer? With time, no, they say one thing, the new one thing, what to men your best 70 years or so on share glasses. Yeah, wo. Obi sitafo. Mami ni nkomo. Enko ahoma no so. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes. Now what to say?
Hello, good morning.
Oh, what to say?
Yankopa do me ho ye.
Also ensenkaye bi e de magana fo nyina ne omo mutie wa mono ne efa feature life ho. Ma yentie o.
Me pacho mentemo kayo.
Ba cha wote benka. Sesi ade wote.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Okay. Olivia Kasana yen sakano ane sad na ba.
Future life for me ka say maybe almost 20 years to come here no madron ku ni pe de be di aduane. Fese nuro no ekuye papa. Enti na da bia me ka say be your own doctor. Esa wan kasa hwe waduane die. Fese waduane die de say bia ban bia ni ho betimi abebo amoye. Enti waduane die hwe ni ya da bia wa ahoden. Enyare ansa no the future life me dem asem no. Future life de bo onye de be 50 cedis. Na no kura no unim say me ka say ache bi pa o. Na mani na enhu ase me read Bible amenka na mentimi read. Na say me fa Bible say me read a aduane no nko a o. Say de me see read me say eh na che say aduane a yedi ni first no na enye. Me de me ho to future life na apart from yare ekosa ame no. Aboa me ni paduane nka say mani enra me read o ba sorry dem na enye is Sunday no.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
This is the ultimate kaye papa.
Madam say
okay, me ba choma mintie na also won senkaye bi fa future life ho.
Nyasam ketwa o me ba barewa. In fact the diagnosis so yare bi meka ho asem me repeat kakra. Na ye de oji na omo me ayekunu se sa yare no. Nti na abaya de so ma ye nyina ye adwini. Na
yare omo friend no Down syndrome no me bo a.
Na Mr. South-Socialized in Ghana, Mr. The Tubia Mabo, Eddie Asha, Eddie Dia. Eddie Mikacha doctor, I say, Omtano Maka, but I'll come back. There were friends of Saba. The future life match would be na ODB or D to under the Diana would. But focus or Yaniko school now, someone you know, because of issues. The school back home, Yanona, generally, and none of the man called Anapa and Yumre. I will find the Diana continuously and for about 2 years. Number the money, and I didn't call hospital or say, they never got the doctor. The room was I said, I will find a random stone, you know, I was in your no. I'm sorry, me about one.
Wow.
Because, not I was say, or Unya. With late development and Colano would develop late.
Yeah.
Down syndrome.
Yeah.
And the BBN delayed. Now, vision almost more upon my home. They were more to can't money in a major report me now on. But we did the answer was 2 years. Yet no coin. For months me identify sub of friendly.
Why not in this why sharp?
She's a Colano or regular. In fact, no call. Second, no special school. You drew on.
Wow.
I don't know. You drew on a Colana for Muncha Cocha or Mono. What? I don't know. Colana neighbor on when it's no. we a half class and I am fanako friends say make schools need and the other fanako this year was starting school or KG2 or mine is about fanny in a that made in report nature now heard the doctors in the kind of the development of fanny Mafiki it was surprising.
Wow.
Me no me ubia kekesa but the any day na me nyegi die bi your star specialized smart food place so obi o hona say on try being fair they be am kan radio so almost say what kan on try being fair or on kan hun sam no start so on o die the and be 1 month 2 months now on check the bit message ni pedi me ba ana me chan ho asem me family ka me fan to abontin sa but say be show bi nkran no so timi ehunu say enye ade a yedi hu agorosa ka ade say ibi na ma me kwentia ka be bara one day will come there for you to see abofra na abofra na ka na omo che ni development bit market now within that short span but me develop me man no me atreve is ya no ono no cry faster the thinking capacity the OCD feel or more than
na se no no abeye sharper than ni nuanom kwa na yeso omo kwa ya okay no
omo ye no omo ye okay akola until me na be catch a woman say be the adult because I wanted to
you are surprised by the development because Down syndrome there it's like akola no ni niema bebre di onkasa ye ni ade wanya careful kra na ebi mu kra timi wu nkwala no kra wa we kra no okoto akola no mpo atwene
we okasa no anything komo ofie bibia in fact speech no how is by kra na a surprise you bia
wow
speech we na ba ni kra no master no frame begin na mu ensheda entiase what abofara betimi adjust so timi adjust and we had a master frame say akola mental capacity very serious surprise of crowd on any situation
actually develop it so much
and yeah so happy say yeah the man it to be me catch every wife say yeah man be bia yeah for the money na yanko any heart whatever ni brain ibi omkasi yanko medical we bia yanko ni na ni sampan go back to the hospital na mom
wow
era dey na say
emphasis da manyame na ye na ya Boakye so ni Olivia se so mo dey pro ya
almost was the part ma me no o ko bo nche ya mo to bo ase chire mo chire o ma hunu de so ye di no kwa so ye o to bo ase tie sa ni na o we wa ju so de dia na be ye wo tra
Mate, yeah, that's a pan of pay. Wow, Down syndrome. Wow, not just the fees said, oh, background on the suku. Now, this year, starting man future life. And Kohan, who born man, what fit teacher for who doing in a no. Makolano, because a building brain, a building brain. Timakola no ndi future life na ntwaswa for like 3 months 4 months ubo sense san beba whoa me say ade unim say o mai me ko yare ye nti ye bia me ko check up na last year no me ko check up na de ode report no o agi abrem o say ade pa aklo 13 years na mo checking the kidneys no o say me nyaga bladder stones here so enti na da bia me ka aduane no ho asem na ha de betena ho ayare ansa na edidi epe bia oyare na owu an ode kwose baifo na da bia wo bompa yesa onyare ba de na wudi eno na ese fa hye mu de aduane na wudi didi ye future life ho no oba ya chiro bibia esa wo ye ena sa ho to mi sa se wo senti ade anuane na ye kan ne biem no mumye ni diye na enya pom de ne mfa nso awurade fa numbers ne tuja numbers ne 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 na ba ko 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 future life aduane repair food no obia meto bi na wonto na
beauty food no mema nyina adi
yes samwada okay let us see Olivia na you just about no ngotwe pa meet me ensa me ka kire mo se ye be hwe yesen so nipa bebre e wa adwene bi se okọ dentist na okọ dental hospital na just say as a sika as a ho atọ bi o sikafo na koda bi o senu se ba kokura tu aye wo word bi want me pronounce me kai brebi na adamfo bi f ne sene ho dwa e ontimi ka f nti o pronounce word f man wo bre wo se ye wani monyam wo se ahye a nipa kura bebiri mu wanumu won kan nipa mu wo se ne ho adwudwa bi ne ade a wo se wo kasa wo badwam kura confidence ni ho anopeti active point almost empama me nua kwa aba na I want to say bibi aboko my intio
me da say na yer beda atifo ne ahwefo asense say ebribia no omo enya bre eti enchekere ne adesua edeba na omo san tu omo se ene omo anum ho anamo na omo tu ye no so obohu se abo omo yi pa mesre se wo ha bia akuonum koso wonu mene osimu a entnase enka se okono madobi amana kotu na mako dente so na ohwe saa ohaw no because enum ene esen ehaw no ayese wo hu baabi a efri ansana wotimi asia no enkogina nkwanchen bi enkoto adobi enko baabi bi enkoto adobi se obi kono mu bi no ne ho eto no ko odente so na ohwe ehaw no ohwe de de bae no ohwe de bae na obitimi atu ase e de amano asan akire okwan abefa so a obebọ wanum ene se ho ban na aboa yi pa na yesa tutu ye ho fo se o so ya no pa obitwitwiri o se kama na nwumre ne nso no otwitwiri o se na o de ada so otwitwiri o se nwumre no na bibi fufu beko anumu a ebeye ensu a obenom enkodidi ensan ka ho ebra otwitwiri o se nwumre no na odidi wie ensu afa ensu ohoro wanum na nketenkete particles na aka ni nyina no emfifiro because nketo na beko no nya en na bema wame na wo modern so obema na yentinti a wo dent so no anya bia kra no afe no wo se wonko dent so no 2 times busumi nsen bia no beko dent so na wakoye clean na ye friend no scaling and polishing no beko dent so na wakodi se adwuma no na wo modern say enuane a wodi no so mu ani akọ na se fruit kwa na wodi e wo se de ensu mu a ebema wanum entasu no tambia ne mu ebeye mre na emu no nye dry na aboa abo wo se ene wanum no ho ban eyi pa enuane a eden a wo ka no ene sugar niema no ene starch niema na wodi no so mu ani akọ na aboa ama wo se no enya hoden se bia twitwi wo se no hu se emoja bi eba wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n so abu ama wọ́n no fẹ́mfẹ́m wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n di aduane bi anenso bi kọ́ọ̀dù wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n no afẹ́m wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n ase wọ́n kwan de daseɛ ama wọ́n ne nan yɛ root no ahyɛ aseɛ sɛ tete hɔ nom wọ́n sɛ wọ́n no ɛkeka ahoɔden enimu a anaasɛ wọ́n sɛ nkabɔne bi ɛwɔ no mu a wɔn hu baabi a efira me so tu hɔ na ma ɔkɔɔ dente so na ɔmoa na onyi saa ɔhaw no enyina efiri so ɔdi dente so a wobɛtumi aba active point dental clinic na de hɔ no ayɛ family ne dental home na ɔhaw bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ no mu ɛne wɔsi no nyinaa enyina efi hɔ no aba na wo ka asɛmbi sɛ obi hɔ no a ne se atu o pronounce word bi a ontimi pronounce ne obi nso ɛse ahye ne aden ɛyɛ no krasɛm pa sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ pa obi hɔ no a usakra na ne se hyɛ ase sɛ ɛhyewa menani ankɔ ho tubo sɛ onyini ama ne se nyinaa achange color ɛno no oba yɛbɛtimi ayɛ white na ɛbɛboa wo yi pa na sɛ efi na ɛwɔ usim no ebi a ɛyɛ efi ɛwɔ abɔnten ɛwɔ enamel sɛ no yɛ clean na obo sɛ ne nyinaa ebefi hɔ no sɛ nso yɛ de wɔ inside a ɛyɛ intrinsic na ɛno nso no yɛbɛyɛ treatment ɛwɔ sina ne nyinaa ɛkɔ na wo ho atɔ yi pa wo se ne so a etu na wo sɛ bi wo hu so mfa so sɛ wo sɛ wo nkosi wo se no besɛ bi na wo ka sem bi akyerɛ obi bi a wo ka passcode bi akyerɛ obi na word na wo be pronounce no wa antini yie na wakɔbɔ ade foforo na ɛno de ɔhaw bi aba adwuma wo ya na sɛ ade korɔ na wo yɛ no ɛno no ɛmoa yɛ kredi sɛ wo se atu na sɛ ɛwɔ unsi ya mesew to anamo na kosi sɛ de bɛyɛ a wobɛtumi pronounce word no ɛyie sɛ bɛyɛ wobɛtumi kasa wobɛtumi akasa yie sɛ de bɛyɛ a wo se na ɛno wo se no di ahyia no ɛtumi agyina hɔ ɛfiri sɛ nyankopɔn bɔ yɛ se no nyinaa aduasa mmienu ɛno no kyerɛ sɛ wo ka asensi so a ebia ensi ebi so se ebi ensi bi so na se baako eni ho no abon se bedrum mrim no baako na ne nua ni ho no betwe ne mu a se okɔhwɛ ne nua no na edo no ade ɔhaw de abrɛ se no sa wo we sa de na aduane ntimi emfie bon so wo we sa de na esan afiri se wo se no atwe ne mu epie ba makwan abɛda se a ɛno de ɛyaw ene ɔhaw kɛse ne beba se na ba san so a wo se na wo ne nkyɛn no ɔmo nso bɛyɛ se ɔmo ekɔhwɛ ade kora nti ɔmo ho ka ɔmo nua no tubonso no ɔmo nso no emu akwa ɔmo ne ko apɛ na osi akyi no ya ogam no na emu na ɛbae na obon na osi seas no na ɛno nso ɔhaw ɛbɛ mu a ɛno nso de ɔhaw kɛseɛ ne bɛba onipadua no so ɔhaw onipadua no so ɔhaw ba so a affect wadwuma a wo dada akɔbɛdie no ne nyinaa de ɔhaw ɛba ho a ɛmoa oyie kura intimese sɛ wo se atu na unhu se ne a ɛte a kuhu na mona kokosi bo se ɛno kra timi ma wano ɛne wafono hɔ no ebugum a o age no wɔ enso na wanimu abu agum ntino asɛ wo bɔ akɔkora na sɛ abrawa mo na ɛmoa wo yie kura no sɛ bia sɛ wo se no ɛna ebi akɔra na sɛ wani ankɔ nanum ne se hu na sɛ enuane odi sugar no na sɛ ne sena hyɛ sɛ ɛhye a sɛ obi wɔ hɔ mo a ne milk teeth no ɛdɛ wɔ hɔ nom bon sɛ ne milk teeth na hyɛ sɛ ɛhye no ɛbɛ affect say permanent teeth development tiesa na permanent one no emra no so how edi akira eba na ne permanent teeth akora na ne permanent teeth no eba na se how we mu a bon se ebe chekwara ansa na watimi edi ho dwuma eno so ɛmoa akwara no ɛyie kura nti mesrɛ sɛ wo sa waba no ne se no ahyɛ sɛ ɔhaw bi ɛɛbɛ mu a ɛnkɔpe pɛmpɛnuro bi ma no fa ne kɔ dentist hɔnom na ɔnhwɛ na wontu aseɛ ɛma no yie kura ɛno no kora no ɛsan ha akwara no sin development bo sɛ ne se no fɔɔfɔre so na ɔkasa wontimi mpo na so wes ne bi yie bo sɛ ɛnkabɔ ne ahyɛ sɛ ɛɛba nanum ɛɛba ne simu a wokɔ school ibosi na asɛm a wontimi ɛnya no na ɛha na disua so a na ɛsan akɔ ha ne mental health na wedu tem no ayɛ antisocial ɛno no wontimi nka ne ho ɛnkɔ na fɛfoɔ ho na ɛde however ne nipadua ne so ɛyie nyina ntimi sɛ wo enum ɛne ɛsen help bi a ye branch ne Okumase Santas de nyame ye be ultimate radio na sɛ ɛsua FM Accra Jolu Presby Junction Caterpillar Road no so branch baako ɛwɔ Kaswa Crystal City ye be farm depot sunya we abro san ebe koko bodran about no ɛna sɛ hwedwina se na de Sheffield station Obuase Dunko Junction na Konka Road hɔ no so branch baako ɛwɔ hɔ no a ye adwuma adwada ekosi memere da no pa no ngotwe ekosi enwumre no nsia akwesi ada Kumase ne Accra branches no ye adwuma from Dubaako ekosi enwumre nonum wonum ene wose ɛha obia no se bia ma wante se mabɔ wo haw na se ɛha nneɛma bi ɛkɔso wonum no so a me se wobetimi afrɛ number na wo ne ye di ho nkomo na wa kyerɛkyerɛ ne ɛkɔso ne nso ya kyerɛ ɔkwan bɛfa so a wobedi ho dwuma se wo se wo nkɔ dentist no ma na ya recommend na akɔ dentist so new dentist a na ba active point dental clinic bɛhwɛ na ye tu wonum ene wose no ɛha no nyina ase de ama your number ne 0554 571 779 0554 571 779 Mesre o how be a course in bia na ehia me pa how be a course wo sim ene wanum bia no tu ho anamo na emo aye se efi ene wo ketrema so no so timi de nkabɔ ne eba enti se wonya e cleaning I no de halitosis aba oso a se firi wanum nko ade a bra active point dental clinic yebetu ɛho a yebetu ase e de ama na yasan akye okwa befa so a obedi wanum ene wose no eni na aboa wo yi pa edi ne active point dental clinic 0554 571 779 so ukra cosmopolitan insurance abra ukra ace medical insurance abra and ukra gap medical insurance so oba e behwe na the insurance ne koba no etimi ahwe no yetu wanum ene wose no bibia akoso kama
okay enra me bo campaign song biana trendy pa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ene me de John Mama so de no to ho video o maye enti yenko Unapo, unapo, and no, you're wine obesa. Yenya ba, you know, so MPP new or snow crack to a pumpema over Danny Dano on the mission. And see, it's like that. But campaign songs, it's just for fun. And Twaba. Send your mama and you may have did Tim Cotramano. And now Bawumia, it's impossible to go to Amadavi and the Kasakra. Airport for my Dr. Kwaba. Dr. Pom to say, Divya Boko, Edobadi Assi. And now airport for a friend of assimilation exercise. You can't say assimilation exercise as staff at what Kumasi International Airport. A year prepare the first. International Airport, no. Omaya said on the 1st of July, Konkai, domestic, no, over the newly inaugurated airport now. Omaya, in an assimilation exercise, no, say one more jumemu hono, staff, no. Sa conveyor belt send ye near my fast one now we send ye take it out be our Baconia almost staff no to me the 25th, Ekopim 30th, no 5 days, no. Only go through that exercise. It will move 1st July. Oko Nkraya. Na flight no. Emejina honomo. Dobe ba de abijina kwana no. Na wasi. Na why there ako you o bag or new Kumasi International Airport. I'm talking about Prempeh the first, no. It's from 1st July to Kaya. Oh, by Honoman Abe you near man. And until the 1 year say a passion for African world. Any luggage for no name. Omo share near man in no passenger handless no money. Omo security no. You do go through what is called assimilation. And no. Anopaya and almost here until the movie 1st July there. Not just airport now fully operational. Yeah, sure anymore when international flights will also take off. The face in phases very soon. Oh, Kumasi now will call London. Oh, Kumasi maybe I will call South Africa. Now say African countries. I'm told you cannot even travel to the Asian countries. America, I am not sure yet. I don't know. But Dr. Atenase, yeah, can you bread one sem on the floor? And I know Dr. Kase Brebuano, you fam momokwa. Kidney dear, will be between their femo. Now Brebuano cry, no, just any pan woo. No, I someone says, woo, and a breboy and fam obi, and no cry no man in time with me say. And nay, Dr. Waha, yet twasso, your liver, you cannot joke with it. Dear Ben near man a bit my mouth, liver say. Dear Ben near man a bit my how. Dog. Over to you, Joe Latte.
That's it. Then pass the motor jump on. Then find Chamopia or Shana Suti. Last week, not me, demonstration one. Martin call mom with TV in Kwaso.
Ah, yes, Obi friend me. Obi friend no see na doctor or channel no yeah any TV so. Or didn't say see no. Yeah, already. Oh, yeah. I think Abia now. Abia exclusive on any wife. And no more can say a doctor on it's radio. And on the Sunday actually. James said then we pass us in few. I want for friend pa buza.
Can we see from one of size of my friend. We say what radio am say brebo no. Nipa duane mu no. Fa onsa se obo.
O baby a efifin no. Onofo ntem no.
Ha eba ofu ano
no. Fa kwesi ase.
Ha fa bra betwa ofu ma no mu mienu.
Etiche e mane fa ofu ma mu mienu.
Efifin na ntu mienu. Na ba ko left ba ko
ba ko right.
They won fa so no, right no.
They won fa no.
Fa so no. On na brebo no da.
Okay. Timi wa no me brebo wa ha. Okay.
So timi fa so no. A free obuan no hono
onufu ase hono last rib no
eba be kan ayase
e de be kan ayase no
bia o fili
hono abrebo no wo
hono abrebo no da
okay
so wo don sa emia hono ba bia eba won fimu
na ayedin
abrebo no na ayedin no
yes e free me ka say me boa no
yes
eye ba bia me nufu na ase no wo no de ko si ayase last rib no sa nifa ho nyina no brebo da ho
yes
enti se me de me saka
yes
na ayedin den no ye den ba we ana se
enti o person who difference na Fataka left side.
Okay, bonkum no ve kire say ni nifa na pa na ayedin. Okay.
So the whole feeling sa
okay. I was say sa.
Hani dictate kakra bi a.
Na say hana nifa na yetan bi. Okay.
There's a brebo no. E ho asase.
Hey.
And I'm say happy.
Enti masa obi anya exercise na no pay ya. Check it now.
O die ya.
Die ya. Na fam say me he am for die.
So da na say either say hona yede na say hona ya o ya. Onu say brebo no. How I shall say,
as on cancer, but it's pain.
Yes,
problem about one. Honor say, oh, yeah,
and I say, tension was honor, a more do honor.
Okay,
ha, when you who saw the pet.
Okay,
not the bono or how I am. Last week, you can and your ma to say at the dear Mudiano, and one side and your manner, really, yeah, and my brebono, to be. Yakase be born to me ya de ya hwe adache e bi cancer na se be so betimi abamu no ya kan nam wi en sane mane mane nyina na anya no ni the only cause of liver problems.
Okay,
you will other causes and there you be hwe answer na no say and then say it's what to anadri anopa to yes and I wanted the abapa and him some mo amwo kasem yade na toilets for no anopa ye bi abati ya kakra wo joint no kotodwe osisi ochika say any other job I'm a pink I so and column pink labia now a frame 0277
0277
00
00
123
1234 0277 00 1234
0241
0241
36
73 49
my me can say brebo no ade bia be fa body hu say poison bia no brebo no na di kan e fa adwuna no ansana go through digestion.
Okay,
and ti ade drag a draw e was drag and a medication.
Okay,
medication yeah enra to say doctor said that prescribe the amount
so we are there for 2 hours here.
And a drugs no ye the fan say no bone na mu bebre ho no mo a nu papa ye ton wo drug stores a ye decide there but people abuse it.
Okay,
and see ye wo Tylenol ye dey kill pain ye wo to say ye wo other ones be me
to say na say tramadol here buy
tramadol no up to 75 milligrams no a painkiller as a baby chow na say oti yaw bro so a ye mouse animal na akame down nerves na yaw no
eswati
ti say di man na dey mani pedua no
traso a
na obi ho no mo a obranom 10 beyond 75 no is seen as narcotic so ye choose see a na what tomorrow so no say 100 milligrams a enye Ghana for security for na krabai
obi for
illegal 2 illegal means and aba and it is treated as narcotic as in the bonnet.
Okay,
because no mo a bebetime ema susaso bone but mbu ho no mo a onko 400 no ema onko nya abayasem no akoba 75 no sa times 10 yes
750
yes
abra ese nom 75
yes and okra no se bia bibia twa wo pain pa
but on dey bibia ntwa
no for certain pleasures or no more a daisy say abroso
na daisy ased na abrosan na ye ketwa bi na
onom nsa
obi timi gina ho no ada
onom nsa bia basan adona a bro brebo na ho
man high
good na man hyper.
What does that do to your liver?
Imagine say for ba kono pokra na 75 no the liver has to break it na ama ano adwo ansana body na
je
na be kill pain na wo no and offer 75
offer 10 of that 75
aduna ho de no aba bro brebo no so so if brebo no will start enlarging
be kese be kon
yes.
Oh, okay
ebe for so be produce more bile but our volume be to produce a day beyond that no na ma brebo no kese
na say what the pressure to brebo no so onye adwuma mro the normal
because microphone no omuntu ya kese
obi onum tramadol
yes fan bebe no
ontumi nya kese
yes because ontumi di so far I come every nerve to extent say I come cry I want it until ontumi di ontumi ya kese but ontumi ya kese no liver no so dey
ya kese
and obi a abuse drug beer in any form because man I just yes
na paracetamol how number so
a fan bebe na masa how na believe
wow
nti drug abuse ade ba ko an say brebo no kese pa medications a drug kasa no de unko abuse no bia there one says or non steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs sado no na wi ase mpanimfo akabo mu say yemfa kum emoamoa na eyawa ba ni padua no nti no over the counter unhia doctor bi antro ansana
antibiotics
yes akotobi to ko na say unu di nku ade aka we ma obi ato no bi wo hono mo una constipation yemo team because of the liver no ya de abam so una constipation
that's unya too much constipation it's a problem with your liver
ko anna emema bile no amana ko
breaky feces no na watimi agya ona
yes without that no untimi inform toilet bia and then peristalsis no so zero
oh
and to head ya
to bia na yam tintin bia on hwe ni liver ye
and now I am tinam ama oti ya
the bia na oti dwa
take more water
instead no be no painkiller
painkiller no does not solve liver problem no emma oyam so enyamre rather be kill pain for some time
them moms so be ba
bia go to the liver na ya room 90 emma from toilet no e be say liver no honum to compound the problem ti o go fu be honum man no menuro obi wonu ma ko ne dem a adura doctor nchuma na gu won ko ano
or chemist
ono
be small chemist
so to and one thing is say me ka say awa bai nti omo joint pains no omo na what size issue we ni
no
mo soften that no oba no owo arthritis and ebia ne no but we not liver no so
because of the neuronal no
nti no anchajwa esi awo ba ne kase mo wie ne pa ana ko no we na jaye eno ano no be no doctor na
no so akogye anchajwa o ma me wadu ni bi
so no sampa gina na fo no so ekupu biato o ti mo di kwa je do kata na the drug store no so ko to bi legu no na wono it works for some time na o abizu no asesa no ko for edibo obanum antibiotics ni bebre obanyi kakra no na liver na antiman control na fe asase eyekase another one is fast fetal alcoholic syndrome
and you there
ya wo obi a mo hepatitis enye b liver no ye test who hepatitis the liver is inflamed it's just saying can be a one have be and any other viral hepatitis but no there's no infection alcohol na liver na sa
oh okay
and sa bro
anotin Omanoma na Argentina no habrebo no
oman say body no ade bakwa hun as drug and as poisonous alcohol
ni pediano
yes regardless of the volume
ehunu ensa se awudro ma no
and she said the moment the nipa enum ye na quickly abi produce bile to
na bonyono no apu aba na se ne enti wonum no dodro no
bonyono no so e dey na acid o and na akọ no so ya acid to bia no so wi ahwe the onum apadese no nsa bonbo what strong pain bi won honum because acid dey no sia no proof man bi ba bontin the mo ache acid bi no na sia honum se ofa matters a woda so no hwabi fom na woda so hwabi na fa alcohol na wono no bi gu so man 1 minute na hwe de be fom
foam
yes normal
palpitation gu so
na hwe de be fom no
na hwe de ebeye foam na here sa na koye wo yam
the same thing
yehowa
especially the liver because I don't know kofa na adwa no ansa na go through digestion nti mo so de gu fom so a wodi na minimum say fom no say ya na awuhuru akase
entina obi ononom nsa pa no
yes
edwedu be na nase atatai na nani ase ahonho na oh
so when you say the full apeja the nase atatai na nima honho na ase ahon liver na say what of alcohol nti
wow
a shabre no to produce more bile excessively to a sense say okay fine one no be to see a shabre no produce bile no na abebre adwo no one no be adwo no uno tell one about 90% produce bile na be born na be fa fans so abun say afina
kese
starting at large and you know the number one especially omo a senka onum alcohol no pukra or time or do no problem but the onum before
the sorry no papa ko twa bi no
only do no alcohol And you see, the say okay, where the volume no air from. Just be 10%, 5%. Or my alcohol 1% dry alcohol. That is why I want to be bright to me every day. And to be at me course intoxication, piano will end up destroying the liver, especially alcohol. The who your bar or no alcohol be. That's bar. Yes, no suffer through. The other say, or no best anyone, but that's a to liver and some one.
Jebe wa kwala na ya dear John this near
yellow. And for I'm be you are but my kwala. And as a shot says some points to do tembia, most of you are able to know the liver problem the until the growth no.
That's all your bad for alcohol 0.0% crack.
But we want more nema or say one no alcohol na one yes on no or call a catch no.
As a dachi akra no obenyini a or the liver problem na enyini.
Nkwala blame na no so to bo one na nini nsem na yero doctors no be do betimi bia ba bi one mo so obenyini no na fat no adabrebo mu ano de bi one nani no yellow stuff no nkwala blame mu akapim say obenyini na ho de na nsipida
bi oyare.
Yes tim so here on you last one nicotine very dangerous. Nicotine so nya no wo nwusie mu adibia fa no nwusie
shisha na nkwala na starting no
shisha ba na brafo shisha no evaporation o ensuo na ema no huru kekere na ya fa no vapor no na ama o mim na kuru na o lunch no ha dudu bani no ya de nima bi gu ase se de ya pate so
na se o mo de nima gu ase pa o mu brew up yo ni ade
yes stronger than some we ni kra amanfo no
shano
je combination bi a egu ade na se a so o twe ba ko a
nima be fu ni so
mo jemu no. You see, you did ba because
and now the females are even taking
it. Toffee, a man on a toffee.
Yes, we toffee.
Yes. Some more in our room. You see, one we see no, but fast I don't know. Why introduce nicotine into the blood? And the end when you say nicotine, some fat is here. It says for 90 days, 3 months.
90 days.
Yes.
I will need to be a man.
The anti-doping tester.
You bet you.
Within 90 days.
Not just a young man and a young woman. Weekend be a country shisha on your best 7 days.
But we can be out all 20. I mean, say, now every time.
We are killing our brain cells and we are killing ourselves.
Yes. Every time there's nicotine in the blood, nicotine is a map breadborn yedding. More my breadborn. I can't say when you liver cirrhosis. Liver no ya de ba mu a kese ya ne control na infective feeling cells na say ya na ka onya cirrhosis na yede but this time no onya cirrhosis no nicotine na asema brebo no yede
eno a man ho cirrhosis
yes the baby din bia no cannot perform function was perform mani bia no
wow
it's just two science per one me can say ofun be kese no the number one say failure ascites ensu be within ofunu so when for one my twum you from nsu every week you twa na I was you pani o
pani na wo
the wo be 2 3 na you twi nsu na ye ma na 2 ya sa and so and train man ko do sa the man na so bia so wo liver question bia e mo
kwan na abusa
na okay mo area so wo bad breath so a na we a wa frame no dey me so umma ya so ho no pampan wonum awabai untimi wasa nipa ho ukasara nipa ko machi ohumi apampan wom bia na asthma na obono erio ya me so no de o ma so ho no ofra ba be wo bia no de do mi be sendo na wakoje ya de bia ha no for timu atwema tachimai
kwada so kwan
so full like cast me
that's right
and if you want mo bia cast me no dum pampa so na ofra e was
0277
00
1 2 3 4
0277 00 1 2 3 4 wo abrochire wo baby why lab ya na so permission so afra I say WhatsApp 0241 36 73 49 0241 36 73
49 Allahu Sharifi Nyankopon ene yen for thank you so much doctor for the education to for any church matter chiman na eko wo liver problems doctor mo neurosronko a omode be boaw MRI scan no ne ade nyina no ombe hwama anopay honorable question for Ajiman wa bowra hanom na de wa bantem honorable Maxwell Fosu Boakye nso so wa ha Ghana's economy will surprise the world this year. Adam, Finance Minister. Simon Muhammad. I feel inquiry na Ghana economy as surprising. Zuba, what born se mama MPP. I feel we. Just say omo be dasomo. Omo so mo nim de omo ye. Okasa o London abra omo ko shia ne branch ne London foko din komo. Hono na odi tu just said nanado dan kwa Akufo-Addo catch ne say only 1.5 billion. Na onfama womo ye dey womo sika koka mu omo ye sa banking restructuring no say banking minimum from the beba komano na collapsed banks no womo sika kodi mo no 1.5 billion to customers of the affected collapsed banks and ya de sa sika no ebre womo ntombe yo mo validation ni omo niema na bibia akoso oberajuma akwaba
ye ni ayaw
oba na utie nwum no ama bonyu mienu
sa
MPP ni ndc nwum
me de pragana ba enti
saka josa uje papa
manti
yeni komo a finance minister say niema de da kwempa they are on track and they will surprise the world, not even Ghanaians, with Ghana's economy. Usom say
he will surprise the world.
With Ghana's economy will surprise the world.
Last week, go for
before. Hey, they have something under their sleeve. Maybe you don't know.
I have a DNA under sleeve.
Yeah, as a winning film, I say.
And 8 years, I got 3, 4, 5.
I got 5 months.
I'll put up.
I can cancel a coach.
Yeah, the Obama. You know what my
yes, can cancel coach. I'll start here first half 3-0. Second half, no much 2. I'm saying, coach, the other was meaning the way we have it.
So I mean, I don't think whatever my architects. I would as much.
I would as much. Was when I would say, better car.
I could test better. I could test much.
But I when you could test, where Ghana's economy that will surprise the world.
Put up.
Hey,
Tama dollar ni fee 11 could do 16 no. Na nya ko ya na na efa na.
You say a dollar na do 16.5.
68 and pay check
68.
Hey.
Oh.
And you are the finance minister.
About 11 on
yes,
your
friend. As SIR deal. You didn't buy no 11. You buy how many months in it?
I see me Adam the West.
Sha.
Ghana's economy will surprise the world.
I don't know, surprise the world because when him me can take
Akwaba. Maxwell, the bonsai.
Bruni, almost a fan David Hanks or John Hopkins, you know.
Yeah, Hanks. Yeah.
I say Akufo-Addo a master class in mismanagement of an economy.
It's a master class.
A master class. Ghana Web. Also control on it. X space, Twitter space. Bruni would America. Now which are the university. And president Abu F1
Maybe our assessment.
Come up, Buni describe it. Say, who's up with no business because
no, but let's look at it. Don't you see anything showing, say, the economy is picking? And
Morgan Heritage for you, do you see anything to smile up? What's smile about? What shows that the economy is picking up?
Virtually nothing.
What indicators are you going to point to? That now businesses are able to make profit.
Minister Nekasano.
Oh.
19 in 1 minute.
Economy to another level and wait until the announcement. The confidence in our economy is going to come back stronger because the world is no longer interested in investing in Ghana because of those there's restructuring. After tomorrow, it will be a different story. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. I know you are interested in that story. Let's watch it and see. The confidence will come. The investors will return to Ghana, and the growth trajectory. All of us. So this election is an election for us to win. The NDC can no longer campaign on the economy. Our record is better than their record. On the size of the economy, we've done better than them. On per capita income, we've done better than them. On job creation, we've done better than them. On economic growth, we've done better than them. They say we went to IMF. But it's not easy to be under an IMF program. In them before, when they were under IMF program, by 2016, they missed all the targets. So far, Ghana has become an example. We met all our prior conditions, and the IMF praised us and disbursed $600 million. We did our first review. We passed all the tests. The IMF praised us. They disbursed $600 million. On 28th of this month, we are doing a second review, and I'm telling you that we are going to pass. We will pass. We will meet all the targets, and the IMF will disburse money. So we can take our economy to another level. And wait until the announcement. The confidence in our economy is going to come back stronger, because the world is no longer interested in investing in Ghana because of those there's restructuring. After tomorrow, it will be a different story. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. Watch the cedi to the dollar after tomorrow. I know you are interested in that story. Let's watch it and see.
Okay, Zuba.
Yeah.
Papa, you see, they've met IMF target. They're almost 600. Momo no mona near my basa.
We so kasa dio.
Are they?
Fear on. Kasama me catch no. Bankwara tibi.
But obe who preach you?
I say asofo for na amwa.
I say is to anaba.
Asofo for na about fast sorry dem no. So na I say couple of no. So attitude ni bia dey. Oh one was what about for na ka.
So Zuba, you mean to tell me say who no say?
Me pacho. Me no dam ko to body. Oh rich cause you say ho nerve. In fact, the me to no o kanya endu 10, mako 10. On the mammy, it is this. Mammy back on the booth. Say, I did on 120. But the money, it is this. Now, and so, Kwame, each of my minute is what the mammy for me. It is a Samin Yasha, some who cry in your mammy, any can
call them 100.
Let me tell Mango so. My ink can get 5 beer go. Mamma no head there, but could be a say pro. What say? I hear 25. We hear 40. Man, 5 no. We hear 40. Let me see. We hear question with the body any. Or hear Mr. Azure Charlie. We hear question with the body. Just say, almost a we are mobile. What's the point of it? Auntie, for me, I didn't meet you made more a better economy near. The material man more a better economy near basic things I'm here. Now affordable. Say unko kanya nkodum. Na mingo to diesel 75 cedis. Na esonte my 50. Now I say improvement aba. Kanya na dum na mete diesel. In fact, pan will be me body in by advertising.
Oh, no problem.
If I'm ABS.
Yeah, ABS.
Kenya so. Me who on 5 years ago. Almost 30 years, no, 3 cities. 5 years ago. No, call 5. And a call 7. And a call 10. You were 2024 in Kwayam. Yes, 2024, no, 10. By February, March, and I call 12. March, band, they call 15.
And they are trying to say.
Last 2 weeks, I call 17. Last 2 weeks, call 17. After 2 weeks, I do 20-25.
Pano.
ABS Pano. You do free 15, call 17. And then now, trim me, I do 20-25. I could be. If you come once and ever, if I'm hot TV. Mama patas and we could hear Chichum Dada. Nay, 15. But din time a papa be finance minister, I do 25. then na ba be kan so ba oni busumi sia eno man kete na pa no de ya totu fie komwe wo na ohwe no wa o fa mi sa ke mo anu abunzu agusu de ya de so komase banku bi wo kofom traffic light on macho aja banku ya quarter 5 ya to bo wonte banku banku no de aduane
I last resort
jizu intikaja hozla ma de ka unyanya 10 series uji banku ne nkruma nya lande pe ka kwani dia dance ma ona akono masa sisi a utifa kufu na pesa odwi haja banku ni bia banku nko so nya be 25 ansana nya ka uru 5 bi di boswa nkruma no ho ntu be kon fast enya form these are, I'm not talking about things that the affluent use. Basic hustler man survival things. 3 years ago, me fa Columbia side on ebi o Gabins bi o. Guys bi toba me feel wo bo ya.
Amano.
I swear guys.
Na man o mu di go be kra cha.
Guys ni kuta 20 cities on. Na combination o mu de 20 cities ni yeah. But here the 10 cities. Na omo je Gabins. Omo je kokko. Omo je kusia. But 10 cities and one me say eh be ma pa na nkomunya na.
Wa ko be si 50.
No man kom be gia na. Go ba omo 10 no. Omo ti manage ye. Sa Gabins na me hu say guys na the 10 ko. Uko sisi ya. Nya 25 and so team na sa guys no combination na be na. We nya kokko be 5. We nya Gabins, we nya pe kakra. I say odukusia no to man I balance. Yeah, the other survive no I knew my daughter me say me me yere na nka me wu me ma ko nu ma ba ku nwi na me ne beda me nya announcement bu wana me dawo
ale si a ya announcement
na o say ubeye magica dey aye treat asumi ye magic ni hu magic because magic na ye nya yewe magic na Ghana for no munim se Kufu Ado de beba ye nim se ne susu bi mampanyi die ye nya na ye wie neni da so pa wa Kufu Ado mu no menya so se politician bi wo Ghana ha wo pre mampanyi akonya na Ghana for ni da so wo no mu se Kufu Ado menim so bet ma tebe bia Ghana for hope na Ghana for wo Kufu ni so ba be magic
ala onye magic na
oze
onye shi
esi ejenkwa
ele
esi ejenkwa
ala de Ghana ko esi
what do you do say what is say magic akwa kuye kojoto enyuma nyina egu bibia ye basa ahonkyera haba kuremu makwasi broni ono wote ne bia bia oye observer akache say ye mampanyin ye master class in economic mismanagement na kwanso me check no so check economics or job John Hopkins University na me say broni assessment there eya na yesin ye dia na I say akwa bi bi a research bi oye udidi o mamdi research behwe na and this year population Jomama na ba me aye population pop MPP say that's right ba re yo oh na kwa ABB say omo de ne bro ni krachi de krachi papa de krachi si one time ya na krachi petmam to as a yama bibia di na me ye no ma be che bro ni de du ohun no oka oh Mr. Pobi was say John eti se kwasi boni onye ne te akwa we za akwa di ahoma hye ko no wote emene okuen because the fact is that Ghana ye CDS ye di adwuma the whole world ye say na fourth worst currency ye magic kire no now indicators nya papa nsin Namibia ye magic now indicators enya papa nsin Botswana ye magic woni nam Sudan na war SEO woni indicators na nam onko anu ntum empire o spare say fair ti no one will see to no so any da fair nti ya dia ho fe ene buma ya kala chamati president
and I offer work president. He's coming. The great transformation plan. And I want to know.
Na tie ni nkomo na hede pa. Say ya fa partisanship ankom. Tie ka say ye dispassionate. Na ye objective. Who said the obia ka no. Enu abia eno no so ka.
No so ka.
And in fact, say utie Alancha Martin. Now tie President Mahama. Now tie Bawumia. Now tie ayarigana tese obia anim ye ya hawo no. Omu nyina anim hawo no. Omu nyina anim ba bi o se ekuduru. Utie omu kasa ada. Omu mi ensa nyina na. Clearly who say kofo nim say yare ni nie. What dey say? Clearly who tell me say kofo nyina hu say aha no se ekurisi. Na suban na ye di ekurisi ho no. No dey aka. Me, I'm interested. I'm saying, Beba, no. So I'm interested in most of the things that he talked about. I mean, and the Mugajas.
I mean, Maxwell Kwaba. Now we are share Ireland. So soon some of the other two jano. But who say both MPP and DC is also talking about it. Free SHS to be reviewed. The issue of Council of State to be abolished and an eminent chamber set up. He's talking about 2 years without tax for spare parts. And Omanhene also made a serious statement to that effect, saying that spare parts 2 years, no. Anyway, here, the entire Ghana, a businessman will be able to offer spare parts after 2 years. No, wasaba, it's a basa. Then what happens? Mammy Joe Maxwell. My Maxwell, you know, me mama coin on table. Yes, my brother.
You know, your dollar, someone knows about speculation.
Yeah.
And you cry what can you say? Well, I want to pay a drop a crack.
Yeah.
A drop a crack. Dollar is
a rare system. About 15
business or you. So, sir.
They speculate and it goes up.
Yeah, well, my patch say. Dollar and started say rise na
no motor.
Me kwa to be good them not because I'm dey confirm your ma approach. But a rise here do mfa na say na 11 cedis. Na me we be 100,000 bi do e wo ho na me ti me to dollar na be 100,000 good them.
About 16 na me.
About 16 na me just say ma make profit be dey ho. Na fi wakwa akoton. Enti we na waka ne say you know. Bebre hu say no. Finance minister emegina abonten sabi enwana no mu say kwa akwa. Ni nansi bibi so enti obi a wo dollar ni bia no sesi adwen say ade se metina ma ne drop ya meboka afom be start here release this scan what you say obi wo ho nso a ebi obekwa akwafa neoma in December emprempren wo hia dollar but the way ade na ekona yam hihie enti no di mirika akwosesa ni nyina ma dollar no ho kwa atwe the moment a ho be ye din e wo system no na mabo no e koso because de be ma obi abeje it started say drop is say na mi hia ni say na ma hu sa de na drop ya obekwa akogye mu ebedu December no wa peni sika no de ko on say yenti bi mpani nsem da e wo ma yi mu say dollar akọ na ni ma na san aba na chida je sa aban we mebo aka kire me ebi asida $1 dey nim senke ko na nim nko a what you say but at certain point in time e ba be drew be almost 17 e drop ya san ba be 10 and na nanu ya san ba nanim it is ya kan se be san ba na chi a e wo say abusuafo na Ghana fo nya gidie se e be san aba ye nyina nim nioma nketinketi bi e na amana ba be wie se IMF sem na aka ho e be use sa channel na so they rectify situation na say na ye 11 12 no obi akran complaining because for a long period the businessmen epe stability sa ade ne stable onim so me kwa aba na menya ne sa abo na me kwa aba no me ne ekosoro ade eche ekosoro a na dia am hihie ye den to nipa so and me hu say ye nya debt reliefs bi ebi wo kra ye de be cheye what you say we nyina aka anuoma ye hyehye no ho
eno na ma wonya akokoduro kasasa no
oh not eno nko a sabi o mo ede wo ka no watimi ya negotiate yi no so me de bi chewa sabi se nkanya de bone ena ka no so ne nye NPP aban na abeboro ka na gu ho no se ye nko a na ya bro. It starts from President Kufuor. Okay, say President Rawlings more de crowd hipic ne be shigui. But President Mills, President
Kufuor Mills.
My boss mention Mills. My mention President Kufuor. President Kufuor, President Mills, President Mahama, Ababe Pim Sabri. And you say we try ye ni be shi so much egua maya. I believe say aseda. What you say? Any inflows bin so a ye hwe ni mo say eba. And I say ebeba. Because I know so baby draw, you have enough. Almost said the no. But yemfa eno ni nto ye ka economy e den. Economy ni de he. Minu ye can say President Akufo-Addo will go down as although when you saw that about what he meant was the worst president because any party will ni die pa energy die no still for President Akufo-Addo mujidie. Na President Mahama mpo ewo ni da so obeba President Akufo-Addo say ne breso no okufia o say ni tiri da ne kon ho no woko yentimi nya neoma ni nyina 100% but between ye ne NDC de ye ya ade pa na de bia na me mpese ye de ho be compare akwatia esa na wo mpa tintin bi anye sabio so obeye bread pano ene bode ene banku ene mango politics ene NPP bedi for emprem ye bedi for adentra because aban bien who abetena so 8 years abewie no baby abefa prices of goods no ebegina baby anegina da aban bien ni hono sabi mpreduasa tiko but just so kai tiko ka
tiko
oza kani bi na just 120 cedis and 1.2 million enu 200 Ghana cedis so kai so okay
tiko yeah
220 cedis and then the boy say that was under President Rawlings several years back. President Kufuor so near to cement saying near to cement 78 Ghana cedis to 80 Ghana cedis 7 cedis to 8 cedis. President Mahama free so now was hovering between 27-30 cedis depending on the cement crowd we dey okay other than anyina honum throughout their 8 years. And so be yes our politics ne dia na sabi man come for na wobo obi abedi for ho because 8 years there we hear their prices be cost. What you say adia
prices no rise no that's the rate at which it is rising. Definitely the price will not stay put, but the rate at which it is rising is the determining factor.
In terms of percentage.
What I'm saying is Abia 8 years ago na more boy be maybe 10 cedis. It is expected to say 8 years now no it should be somewhere maybe 20. So but maybe I could do be 8. You can come say a cost road.
Yamfa bibi to say petrol. Say petrol and any boarding pa. 1 gallon is around 60 cedis plus my boy. And NDC for befa President Mills and President Kufuor fuel at 3 cedis 20 pesos my boy.
Yeah.
All connect NDC for the drew 18 cedis 74 pesos. And I'm repeating, on my trans, I'm throw we are Sabin Predu as a President Mahama coming to Minka say and throw, but make us a no cre. What I say. And this if work and somewhere in no crass and Omuja no 14 cedis. The last time I know full a year 14 cedis year May 2016. NDC free so on the 5th of January, almost at 2 days
18.
Almost 11%. They 18 cedis 74 pesos. Almost the boy home prince here. Argument now you make with you. The full prices ne bo home prince ya. So we multiply 18 cedis na 74 pesos na ye be fa no na by 6 times I will see a tofu over 100 Ghana cedis. But in new honum. But the me kano enye se me de me ho e be toto in terms of price increment no. The point I'm making is within 8 years we ye dan ya prices enye dan enyina ba bi ejina. Na emomade a ma ba bi danso. E ma difference bam your policies. He mentioned doom so
ese ubenya kanea agina so minu ya na kan na mboa na enkoba se okwa so generator medanase NPP oh there be obodum so
no you
talk ubenya kanea
when you are quoting me
also
my paraphrase I'm not
quoting diesel na would you SU na
75
na kanea nyina so you
mentioned it and you
mentioned it some were hamete
now they are good aim
ukoto diesel akugu 75
na nya de kro na
mekasa about cost of production.
Okay.
Yes, that is what I'm also arriving at.
Okay.
Yes,
Meba.
Doom sono affects cost of production and that is the point he was making. It doom sono work about cost of production, you know. Sebio, I say David. I wono wakwachi obi eyere areno akum ni kuna ka ho. No kwati is obi dwan o nwa bebre wakwaji obi di asom na hoho. Na na say yemu atan ya na na say nipa what you say? Eti yemu atan ya wa wodi eda dum so mu emfie 9. Ene de ono edi adamu na anu ye be 11 to 12 weeks no. O si yemfa homan hye ye kwon ne yensen ye. Mama Chow, they behind this if was doom so omo ende na nsa no omo ko. Eye tro. Omai we President Mahama July 2016. That was 30th June 2016. Also Beshia Council of Software Churches na Kumasi Hano. Doom so issue by was we are not out of doom so yet. This is July 2016. A month to election, the then power minister ebeji to mu say doom so ewo honom. Okay, almost
a month to election. Who was the power minister?
Acting, though he was deputy. But ono na power minister, finance minister na acted here. But we all know say on paper he was the minister. Meboa. John Jinapo grantee interview or joy. I have it here. He had what's it? No. It's on their website.
No.
I can give it to you to read.
Because John Jinapo has debunked this statement several times. Your boss, or HMS, is on record to have granted an interview on Joy FM. Say he admits Mahama ended.
Papa Obama Kasa.
Kasa.
A month to see about 26 October. Me say what Joy FM online. Go and check. Why don't they pull it down? What you say? Or admit say doom so no sika na aban ni enie. What you say? Now, do they have to doom so mu enfie 9. O say enayan fa ahoma enhye yekon. Oman ma mema wade ba ko. Ahokyere eba o man ni mu ba ko. Oman hene. Me nka say na ahokyere ni ho no mu. Basa bi mpreduasa. Ye ma ekọ nursing training. Oman hene wutie me pa.
Me chew pa go ahead.
Any teacher training. If I just saw say President Mahama ba betwem. Me no wudi nkomo.
Teacher training ne.
Nursing training allowance. Mpacho so ka so ba betwe allowance.
Okay, so
mpacho what you say? Good. NDC for catch say omo de loan and the ba replace allowance no. Do grant any loan in yepe no. Me uni nipa dodo enya loan ni bi. Out of enkwala enanyina me hu so mu gusuka. Out of enkwala 319,000 no. Emu 8,900 pe nya loan ni bi. Enyame na make is in their own budget. Enyame na make ho asem. Omo last budget omo present ma parliament no. Eti bra mo amoka asem mo awe na ma na to dompi no. Ateki president Akufo-Addo awo na wo se wasa wa mo ne ho modern Ghana fo nkai no. Ena ye mane ye wo faase ye won nursing training ni teacher training no. Watimi a restore allowance no ama nanu ya ye kwa otachima na baya bi obusa question na mo adwene se wo ka bia mamo no ye mu bi hu ne se wo boaye o se alawa kakra no eno no omumu bi ditua wo mu fees na se nya alawa na president Akufo-Addo restore ye na kankwada ni bebre ntimi nko school it should tell you say alawa na mu betwa mu no e deny nkwada ni bebre na bebre wo school mu kra o ma anya mo a o mu jai school. Okwaka almost de loan na ba replace you know. But Omanhene that year enkwara nya loan including university ni polytechnics ni omu nyina no omu ye 23,298 emu 8,909 per enaneko training college omu wi another argument omu ye ne say a quota system enti na ma president Mahama edi loan eba ye no unim say no so ye tro because unim kwara dodo enkwara eba be kan ho eye 1,052 the whole country between 2013-2014 academic year no 2013-2014 academic year no we introduce loan no na enkwara wo training college 318,607 2014-2015 academic year unim dia beka ho ekwo 319,659 it what that tells you is enkwara 1,052 pe and the back so almost oh quota system unti and ye loan neighbor ahochira na mo de Ghana fo akom na mo say compound this ahochira no allowance kakra ye ma ene ye wofas no mo bekura no mo si ye twam mo age afiri wo mo nsam endre president Akufo-Addo ada Roma wa restore na say me wo minutes mienu bia me call into free SHS this issue I've told
your minutes is 2 minutes
many problem met me settle on this. Sir, President Mahama so be review free SHS, and we've said so will become.
Why?
Oh,
review.
Yeah, why cotton also very crowd within it.
Ade.
I want you ban so nursing training, teacher training. Welcome.
So one can so be review.
Maybe review President, Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia. I catch us to obey improve free SHS. Maybe improve the so himself manage your any mungo. Or because obey reviewer. It goes is it has obey review upwards or downwards.
And so but why don't you give him the benefit of the doubt?
You can't give him that benefit because somehow another you say so I know 2 billion I want for education. I'm from SHS. If such a person catch us say NPP as a money media more priorities man setting ye. I say and this wadi will be any mutrim. I know money 2 billion a modi free SHS. If so because asem we chiro na let us have a catch also be review ade asem no worker anamebo asem you see dance anywhere you twa ho ba bi dey dance ono kro na asa catch us was 30 free SHS mebo this one no be me talk am o omo finance minister na e ka ho asem ma you know ma me nko ti kakra
coach na fa bi nto aso time on us 1 minute
oh also Mr. Speaker to ensure compliance with the Ministry's policy on standardization of school fees at the senior high school level, a countrywide seminar was held for regional directors of education, regional accountants and auditors, metropolitan, municipal and district directors of education, heads of second cycle institutions and school accountants in the Ghana Education Service. The standardized fees were published as part of the placement document in SHS. Also here, they were talking about what? Standardization of what? School fees. And I'm a
to quotation here him for.
Page in the page 120 of their budget, the last budget they presented to Parliament. Over page 124, may link here to their standardization of fees. See, Mr. Speaker, to increase access to quality second cycle education, government provided funding to senior high schools as subsidy. Subsidy for 2014-2015 academic year, and I'm a so called progressively free neighbor, and I'm a subsidy that areas
10,000 students. Government was
10,000 was even the scholarship.
10,000. Government gave each 49 cedis.
Yes,
a subsidy to support.
Remember, yes. Also, one idea to say a subsidy.
So
yes, subsidizing and you're free. So, fees no one also. The last part, areas among government cars was subsidizing, and they say obey cost to be no free ho. Cost to no include say the academic year, to absorb one examination, entertainment, library, SLC, sports, culture, science development fees. When are they absorbing? Now they make a question.
Oh, that's
a massive one man.
Come on, I'm more beyond Breno. Me didn't come up. Let me read this. You brought something up. Hello FM interviewed Honorable Chairman Sabons on the Doomsaw, and he said yes, Mahama ended doomsday, but at a cost.
What activity takes place within the governance system that doesn't...
He said he admitted that Mahama actually helped Ghana get out of the erratic power supply, but at a very high cost. Which means that he accepted.
Now, at some point, and yep, chairman, at some point, okay,
no, what I'm saying is, I wanted to verify what he has said. It is true, sir. Jinapo also had a statement and said, sir, but this interview was after election 2016.
Maybe chairman no power minister.
No.
Now, but tell me, do
okay.
not chairman
my 5 minutes. Now, when you're now also 5 minutes. I feel me and your birthday simple.
I am extremely disappointed in Maxwell.
Are they?
Catch for must be accurate.
Are they?
Topic at the mind. What's say finance minister? I don't finance minister. They say, "CD no baby magic." So I was expecting
Ghana's economist is going to astonish.
I was expecting him as an official government, an officer of the coat of arms, being part of this government, to tell us pointers. And just say what the minister is saying, because the minister is trying to give this economy hope.
But
he's trying to give the economy hope. That hope I don't see. It's while you're part of government, what you have to go do is give indicators. The little indicator he tried using, the little indicator he tried using to give some
seemingly
backing, say the currency would have hope. And he said, we are here because of IMF programs. That's what he said. But I'm telling you that had it not been because of the IMF program now, our condition would have been worse. We are not here because of the IMF. We are relieved because of the IMF. And I'm going to take you into deep economics. This is demand and supply discussion. The Mayan CD no depreciating yes. Sekobasa dollar na war system no monuswa. Na nkofo enye bia. Na oni a wo kakra no. Na watobo na wode eje no. Na ma ne bo no akoso. Okay. Now, because of IMF program no, I enter into 2 debt restructuring programs. This is pure economics. Debt restructuring programs. Now, and near my the pressure back in currency no yes one. Ye de sika e wo yen sika ye bo akọ $6 e de akotua 1 year de wonka.
Yeah. Debt servicing. Eno e de
CD depreciation ba. Ba ko biu. Eye say adwadifo per dollar no. E de akofa no ma aba. The tosso miensa yes abe mu mpanyifo awie sika no de ato dollar e de ahye won paase. No won kwara.
And say bitimi wia eno nya pure economics. Eno enka economics.
E affected demand.
No, but how many of government officials now apart from Sicily Abnada? So if you have all things being equal, take that one out.
About Sicily Abnada Padi.
That be what I'm saying.
The minister ba kubedi did there be or damango ho baby yes what the dollar be go water tank bim maybe ira no
there are allegations, nothing to prove.
Matiano. And as this is like there's allegation.
There is one there, he's in court. She's in court.
What does it is Gaira? Court better say this Gaira.
Cause what they can't say.
It didn't know at this Abia. It's the third one here. I memo akron for. And the Boama dollar no. It me book. Yes, you know. Now the first one, what is the service of debt? It has been suspended because of the IMF. So you have a huge repeat.
So we don't have to have a problem.
You should not have a problem.
From your
this is
analogy.
This is it. It's IMF now, but because se unfia waka. Now we see the need jeans and my chest ya the kanima o say tia. And now we see the ni bio. Akwa je ade na.
Akutia dollar.
We now say mo ya ade sen ye. We. Then again, check the number of income.
Keep it when we come here.
Sika Aba Cream. As a result of IMF, Jumedia Moody. IMF cumulatively said 360 bar. That's the money about 1.6 billion, more than 1.6 billion if you. Yeah, meboa. Tranches here by. First one by is 650. Or yeah, first one by 655 or something.
Yeah, 655.
And when you over 300, sad we become me and son. Meboa. 353 with the air here and we got me and son. Meboa. It means that the supply of the dollar, Aba, syndicated loans, so I'm here, and also Aba. And other loans are Mwajia Bebigu through parliament and also Aba. So what it means is that I didn't have Aba Begumupa.
So what is the problem?
What is the problem? Now this year,
1 minute.
Say Obi Catcher was say a 24 and a Bema Adena Koswa. You know what the minister is also anticipating? He's also speculating. This is an election year. And go and check the consumer behavior of Ghana's economy in every election year. You'd realize that between October
to December
to January, amount from Kokwanso. Because election young politicians and your conduct at the who amount for identity. Now Obia shed year under normal circumstances in every year. Dollar no demand no a peaking from September because of Christmas festivities, but in an election year it drops because and for anticipated say there could be violence and so that is what the minister is anticipating because in September that behavior will emerge.
Thank you very much. Let me
there's nothing that you people say. Me invest in Manji Lunda. It's a capture. Before you round up. See a capture me can't. The number of student population on the University of Ghana campus as at the time I'm here. Near confirm students are Maji loan, but now me man go get it. Just say abaya man loan na.
Oh my loan. All right. Mamiya birthday sing quickly. Happy birthday to Esther Dankwa of Netherlands from your brother Samuel Bamfo Dankwa. Regional Coordinating Council. Okay, Clara Rama Usuansa Oe. Travel and Tours. Happy birthday to you, Kukua Jando, Biggie and the kids, Claudia Abayani, Hectoria, Nana, Afe, Aisha, Beryl, and Naya Wawoda, and then so Jerry Akapo of Ntonso, and Mavis Archery of Addition Market, Mavis, Ukno Antonia Kwesibuatin of Adom Keke Agrochemicals, or Soma Utinkwa Mavis. Happy birthday to you. Kwajo ene unia kumanyina munyina Utinkwa. Afe Fanuel Osei Tutu Apia. Papa Osei Tutu Prince OT, news editor, Holy TV, Utinkwa. Gideon Chambest Kwapra. Of Capra, Gideon Chambest. Happy birthday to you. Ajua Cynthia. And then see our Abigail Oshele. Oshele Abigail. And then see our Atlanta, USA. About Ghana. Oh, Sister Gloria, aka Mama of USA Soma Trinkwa. Abigail Oshele. Okay. Madam Olivia Sewabonsu of Entonso Islamic Primary. Also Swanea Wawoda. Say wow of a Josso and a mountain car. Okay, Maxwell. Unfortunately, 4 minutes. Yeah, wrap here.
Manage. Or the Abba, or say, Asemna, or Mokayano, a tourneson, and Yano Craig.
Oh, no, which
yes.
Yes.
Or say Ghana Web. Twisty, Nasa,
yeah, that body and the interested. I mean, how can you be so? Let me also call this up. Makase,
just some few minutes. Also, John Robert Chairman said TN or say he was the issue.
There's no message from HMS on his phone.
There's
no message on HMS on his phone. He speak the news item. He speak the news item.
Okay.
What is it? The second one American one.
Speak the news item.
Which one?
The second one.
Wait.
That story in the Wohonoman.
And which one? We.
Farmer me ma heading. Farmer me. Let me
oh, na time be aso. What the kasa.
So now you know that our SMS has not sent me any message.
Me, I'm not saying he sent me a message. I'm saying Ghana Web now publish it.
We are true for us. We can.
Me say Ghana Web and the dia yaba esa kasa Chairman Zabunzu esa kasa. Anyway, the other one
I'm making.
It's a strategy. Don't worry. I want
no, the chance
I can't be 2 minutes.
The second one. It is about loan. Or say abayma loan no one kojibia. Budget abayma loan or they might limited. In fact, out of training colleges, I never heard no sabra over 300,000, almost 320,000. Universities, polytechnics, tertiary institutions, that year, no. Only mama now buying more loan here 55,000. Okay, am I with you? Nipa buying a project is what more year for 2016 55,000. Eti enkwala over university for bebrebe polytechnic bebrebe training colleges bebrebe ni nyina. Se wo pe bi kura mpa ye were limited opportunity. Ene ma wo mo. Nyabotre enti ne ye.
Mumu de obi a university onya bi.
Enti ne ye de alawa aba no.
And obi university be anya alawa.
Me kan alawa asem nye.
No, you are talking about loans and I gave myself as an example.
This is not your style. I don't know what you say.
No, but I just so surprised me.
The Kasa.
Eti omai omu betwa loan mu training colleges for ehun kire wo. The other one
omu betwa alawa
mu e ma training colleges for ehun kire wo. The other one no waka na minim say issues am raise here nyina no obe face head on but dodge. But the point is
na issues are raise here
about
because no friend wo dwom.
Speculation, okay. The other one to baby nyina play politics. NDCD for NPPD for. But there ba ko Dr. Mamu Bram ya so de beboa amaya manage your dollar ni the gold sector.
I wish you had bought this one earlier. I see the most unintelligent statement Baumi has ever made. Because the facts and data does not give him. You have 30% of all mineral proceeds in Ghana. And I'm telling you that from 2013 up to 2014 to 2010, you have made 44 billion. Out of 44 billion, what Ghana has made throughout is 6 billion. How can you use this to stabilize your city? How can you do that?
I was saying for my palm.
How can you do that? With the data, does it support you? How can you do that?
Let's get ready here.
My name is Kwesi Nyantic. In this region, sports is all about Sompa.